Hey guys, Conor Brewster back here for the second Adobe Illustrator guide. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two quick and easy ways to turn a single drawing, logo, image, shape, element into a professional seamless pattern you can use for branding, packaging, apparel, backgrounds, or whatever else you may need it for. These patterns can be fancy, fun, funky, take on whatever style you want, and they have a million uses, and they're especially great for those of you guys that are doing brand identity. Clients will be pumped to receive a couple of these patterns along with their logos, palettes, font choices, etc. So yeah, like I said, they're quick and easy to make, and you can do them with just one single element. So let me show you two quick ways, and let's get started. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for me real quick if you want to see more of these videos. Subscribers, all you have to do if you want to request a topic or an idea for a video, just hit subscribe and leave a comment asking a question or requesting a certain topic, and I'll get right to it. I'm a small channel, and I'm always happy to do that kind of stuff for my subscribers because I really do appreciate you guys. So, all right, without further ado, whatever that word means.
Alright guys, so first thing you want to do is set up a simple square artboard. I like to put a little background there. You can leave it white or choose whatever color you like. And I'm going to paste in this little gun drawing that I did. It's just an ink drawing that I did that I live traced and vectorized and colored how I like. But like I said, you can use any logo, any shape, any color, yada yada, any single element. As you start to get better at this, you can add multiple shapes, multiple elements, and do all sorts of fancy stuff with it. But today we're just going to be learning how to do the beginner's way at making a seamless, endless pattern. We're just going to go into your swatch panel and be ready for you to use at any time. So, okay, so we're going to take this little gun drawing, scale it down a little bit, and center it on our artboard. Make sure the whole thing is grouped. So when you select it, the entire thing is selected. Just go to Object, Pattern, Make. And what you're going to do here is just screw around a little bit with the settings until you find a certain layout that you really do like. The best way to start doing this is by moving around the tile type, which is the second little drop-down menu in the pattern options box. Right away, this little brick by row tile type creates this awesome little crisscross effect with the guns that I think is really cool. You can continue to go down and see the different ways that Illustrator is going to arrange your element in different ways, and you can adjust the spacing by clicking this size tile to art. You can add spacing to the width and to the height of your element. That might not be enough, so maybe instead of 20, we'll go to 40. Yada yada. Still not enough. Maybe you want them touching, maybe you don't. It's always fun to look at the negative space on the inside as well as the pattern that your element is taking on. But like I said before, this little brick by row thing, even with just the zero spacing, creates this really cool crisscrossed effect with the guns, which I think is great. So what I'm gonna do now is just hit done, and then over here in your swatch panel, you can see I've done this a couple times already. You're gonna hit the gun swatch. You just go over here to your shape maker tool, hit the rectangle, hold shift, and then the pattern will automatically be filled in just like it would be with color in your shape that you're making. So this artboard is 2500, so fill that in, center it. And you can save this, but what you really want to save is the swatch itself. But as you can see, just by hitting pattern make and just messing around with the settings, we basically have this full-blown professional pattern that can be put on a t-shirt or added to tissue paper for packaging, or put as a background on a website. There's a million different ways that you can do that. So that is the first way to create an awesome little pattern. And so let me show you one more. Okay, so I've got these knives. That was actually part of the same drawing. I had guns and knives. What can I say? I'm a dude. I like cool stuff. Okay, so we have these knives, but instead of just using the one knife here, what I'm going to do is set up a couple different sets of these knives and make kind of a pattern of my own before going into those pattern options, if that makes sense. So you can kind of screw around with the looks and kind of make something that you like before actually, before going into the pattern maker. So maybe we'll make those straight, and then we'll select all three, and then we'll distribute them evenly. That didn't work for some reason. They got tighter. We'll just undo that real quick. Whatever, that's looking pretty good anyway how it is. So I don't know why my distribute's not working, but so we're gonna select all three of those, and then do the same thing. Go to Object, Pattern, Make, and it's gonna make a pattern for you using all three of those knives. And again, you can go into the settings, mess around with the spacing, all that kind of stuff, and see what looks best. Mess around with the offset, mess around with the spacing, mess around with the tile type, and just find the coolest looking pattern. Doesn't always have to be the most obvious way or the most obvious look that you can imagine, but there's always a bunch of different stuff. So when you find something you're happy with, same thing, just hit done. Take away those little drawings that you used to create it. You can hit that new swatch that's gonna automatically show up, and just hit shift click, and you can actually just enter the thing there instead of doing the shift drag, and then you get the perfect size. Go to properties, center it again, and again you got a perfect cool little pattern that's ready to go to be used for whatever it is that you might like to use it for. So I hope this is helpful. In the next Illustrator video, I'm gonna show you guys how to take your ink drawings and turn them into cool vectorized drawings like this. So that'll be Illustrator guide number 3. Definitely don't miss that. Please hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Check out my description. I got a bunch of links to all my other artwork, my Instagram, all that other kind of stuff if you guys want to see all the different kinds of work that I do. And stay tuned for the next Illustrator guides if that's your thing. And also check out my other lessons and tutorials. If you want to learn 3D, I teach lessons on this awesome application called Spline. It's a great application for beginners in 3D, especially if you find Blender, Maya, Unity, Unreal Engine, any of those applications a little bit overwhelming. Spline is the perfect way to get started learning 3D. So definitely check out those videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much. Cheers.